Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the speed test comparison between the HP x206c versus the dual drive Luxe Gold. And this is a new pen drive which we have purchased, and this is the dual drive Luxe Gold which I had been using for a couple of weeks now, and I'm using the dual drive Luxe for a very long time guys, the original silver one. And if you want to buy this particular pen drive, please check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon for a discounted rate. And both of these pen drive are costing you about like 1300. And as you can see over here, the build quality of the dual drive Luxe Gold is awesome, and you can rotate this with one hand, etc. And I guess this is the same thing with the HP pen drive also. And so far this had been my favorite pen drive when it comes to SanDisk, and I'm having no issues guys with this particular pen drive. So you all can blindly go and get this, and the same thing you can do it with the HP. You all can rotate this particular pen drive with one hand. And what I like about both of these pen drive is the dual USB. You can connect it to the MacBook as well as your old trusty desktop and TV and your car, etc. And as you can see over here, this does not flex because the build quality of both of these are aluminum and they are very good. And I feel these are the best pen drives available in the market, because even I like the design of the HP as well as the SanDisk dual drive Luxe. And so far the gold is my favorite guys, and there is no two way about it. And let me know in the comments below which pen drive you all are thinking of purchasing. And as you can see, I just wanted to test the speed of both of this pen drive, but then speed again is not going to be a deciding factor. As you can see, the HP is connected to D drive and E drive is my I guess dual drive Luxe. So here is the speed test which I'll be doing, and I'm using the Crystal Disk Mark because it's one of the most trusted software which I feel for doing speed test of the storage media. And I'm using this for a very long time guys, so you all can trust this blindly. And let me know in the comments below if you want me to do a similar test on the Mac as well, because I feel most of the viewers who watch this particular videos are Windows user, and they would definitely like to see the speed test on Windows rather than a Mac. And as you can see over here, I'm getting pretty good speed, and I'm using a peak performance mode, and this I'll get back to you in the upcoming thing. And let us just wait and see. As far as my pen drive tests are concerned, I feel the dual drive Luxe Gold, which is from Malaysia, it gives you the best speed whatsoever I compared with. And I feel right now it is just the king when it comes to speed test. And if you all like this kind of speed test comparison video guys, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new videos. Also, we are much active on the social media, so you all can follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And there we post the latest updates and all. And coming back to the peak performance mode, this is the peak performance mode of this particular pen drive, but this should be used only for benchmarking guys, and not for the actual testing. And let me just open another window and show you what this peak performance mode and how to enable it. So if you go over here and just select this peak performance mode, so I'm not selecting the default one, the peak performance mode is enabled, so it is giving you the highest read write speed. As you can see, the read speed of the dual drive Luxe is 401 Mbps, and the HP x206c is 105, which is very good in my particular case guys. And at any point, if you would like to purchase this particular pen drive for a discounted rate, please get it on Amazon. Check out the link in the description, and this would maybe help my channel to some extent. And as you can see, I'm not being sponsored by SanDisk or HP. I'm just doing it this just like a fun kind of thing, where I would help other people to know the speed test before they make a purchasing decision to buy these particular pen drives. And in my case guys, I'm not biased against SanDisk or HP or anything. And previously HP was not doing so much great when it comes to speed test, but as you can see over here, 105 is the read speed and 74 is the write speed, whereas on the dual drive Luxe it is 401 for the read speed and 135 for the right speed, which in my case the dual drive lux thrashes every pen drive which I throw at it at comparison. And personally HP had been my favorite for the past very, like, I mean in the beginning, more than like 10 to 15 years, but now my new favorite when it comes to speed and all is the SanDisk dual driver. So purely if you are looking for performance, there is no two way around, guys. Please get the SanDisk dual drive lux gold one. And if you are a fan of the design of the HP, you all can get that too, because both of these pen drives, they are extremely good, guys, and this does not get heated so much as its previous pen drives. So you all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And I feel gold is my favorite, guys, personally, because it is so much better and goes with my MacBook Pro. And I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please check out these awesome videos which we have it and this particular playlist. I hope you all enjoyed watching this kind of videos. So please hit that like button and comment as what you want to see in next. And thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.